Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sam, aka Sammy Sunshine. Today we're going to do sort of an unboxing. I guess it kind of doesn't really count because I cheated a little and opened the box. So since January, I have been subscribed to Boxycharm. So far, I have indeed been charmed. And this box is no different. We're going to do a reenactment of me unboxing. Just pretend that this has like not been opened. Oh look, my Boxycharm came in. Pretend this little flap is closed. Ooh, what have we here? Hashtag Boxycharm. Hello, Charmer. Normally it comes with like a little postcard that has the products listed, but this time it's all fancy and it folds out. This month's theme was eye candy, and it's got these little, that's icing. Icing. Then it tells you about the products. So we're gonna go through the products one by one. The first product that I got this month was the Tarte's Glow Pro liquid highlighter, which is this one. I have not opened but one product this time, so technically this is an unboxing. Oh, that's pretty. This is what that looks like. I don't know how to use a liquid highlighter, but I guess I'm gonna be learning. The next one on the list is the ColourPop Element of Surprise eyeshadow palette. Admittedly, I have opened this one and I have enough eyeshadow palettes now that I'm actually going to give this to my sister-in-law. But here's the Element of Surprise. Doesn't it look surprising? I like the colors in here, but then I feel like this hot pink color is just like, surprise! There's hot pink, because all the other colors look more of a neutral, and then there's just some random hot pink color in there. It's a pretty color. I'm not saying it's not. It very much stands out in this palette. So it's a really nice palette. Oh, I just noticed that it's got a magnet up in there. She will enjoy it. The next one I have is the Dr. Brandt Pores No More Vacuum Cleaner. This is the second Dr. Brandt product that I've gotten through Boxycharm, and I'm really loving the other one that I got. The other one that I got was the illuminating primer, which I've been that's all I use now. This one is a pore purifying. Let me actually read from the thing here. This award-winning pore refining mask is an extraction specialist, unclogging and tightening the look of pores and reducing excess oil from the skin's surface. I've not used this yet, but I feel like I will very soon, and I cannot wait. So this is the fourth thing. The fourth thing that was in this month's box is the Brow Gal Instant Tinted Eyebrow Gel. Tinted eyebrow gel with microfibers to achieve a natural hair look. Perfect for the customer who wants a quick but natural feel to their brows. Oh, okay. Light hair. Wow. My hair is not like... I hope that you can see this, but my eyebrows are clearly not a light color, so I'm a little nervous about this. We'll give it a go and see if it works, because I had received the It Cosmetics brow powder in another box, and I thought, oh, this is going to be too light for me, but it wasn't. And so now this is the one that I use. So maybe, just maybe, this one might work out for me. We'll see. Okay, and last but not least, and I know I'm probably going to pronounce this wrong. Don't come after me. The Odesse High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Luxurious, creamy, long-wearing lipstick. Provides the dazzling full coverage of a lipstick with the ease of wand applicator. made with advanced polymers and intense pigments for long-lasting brilliant color and intense shine in a single sweep. Cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, EU compliant. Let's open this. Oh, that's pretty. That's a pretty color. I like this packaging too. Oh, yes. The only thing about this that makes me a little nervous is the fact that it says shine. And usually I tend to go for more matte lipsticks these days. So that's all I got in my Boxycharm box this month. This was my first unboxing that I've done, even though I've been with them since January. I can't wait to see what they come out with next month. Perhaps next month I can better control myself to just wait until I'm ready to film to actually open the box. We'll see. We'll see. Usually whenever I get the box in, I get super excited and then I'm just like, oh, my Boxycharm came in. And so I just can't really control myself whenever it comes in. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you liked it, give me a good old-fashioned likey-like. Don't forget to ring my bell so that you can be notified every time I put out new content. I will see you in the next video. Bye.